Kind of look better. What we're going to do is I'm going to lay it on there, and I want you to hit it. From the, you start hitting it, when you lay it down there, you're going to hit it and you work out on it. Okay? Because we're going to draw the metal out. You just hit right on it flat, and I'll tell you to stop, and then I'm going to turn it a quarter turn. We'll hit it. We'll make it square. Okay, you ready? Grab your hammer. Yes. Awesome. Oh, hit it harder than that. Now you got it, like I said, hit it here and work out, okay? Just like that. Because you're drawing, what we're doing is when you hit it like this, the metal is getting more and more and more. Okay, hold it a second. You got to hit it harder than that. You got to be steady with it. There you go. Keep all the way to the end. All the way to the end. All the way to the end. Okay, let's get another heat onto it. And we'll let you hit it, and then we'll let somebody else grab it. What you're trying to do is, when you said draw it out, you're trying to make to keep the metal longer. It's going to be longer. Make it skinnier and longer. Okay, ready? Okay, grab your hammer again.
With my face.
Try to keep the face of the hammer flat to the anvil. Yep. So it hits it flat.
Okay, I'm going to turn it now. Okay, go ahead and hit it again. Okay, who's next? Okay, grab that guy right there.
Turn the handle.
Turn the handle. Okay, what we're going to do on this time, we've got that. I'm going to square it just a little bit more, then we'll put it back in the heat. Then we're going to put it on the end of the handle. I'm going to show you how we're going to take and make a curve onto it. You want it totally curved or you want it flat? Whatever I come up with. Okay. Okay.
Jacob, you're too tall.
I'm going to take this when we get ready to do it, and you're going to hit it right here. You're going to hit right on that, and we're going to bend it right around. Okay? Okay, heat it up again.
Fire faster than the rest of us. Don't do that.
Okay.
And if you start pushing people towards it,
get your hammer right there and hit it right on the end. Just bend that right on the end. Yep, there you go. Thanks. You keep hitting it right up on top right here. Because what we're doing is every time you hit it like this, see, it's going to follow that curve right around. Okay, let's take a look at it. Hang on. See how that followed that curve right around there? Mm-hmm. That about big enough, or you want a little bigger?
No, that should do it.
Okay. All right. Crank it up again. Who's going to hammer next? Okay, you grab the hammer. We're going to square this a little bit further back.
That's awesome.
Hang on a second. I'm going to cool this down on the
Bucket like that. You step here and make it look nice. No, literally, the way you
go ahead and crank it.
Is that you're not using it. So I could go on the timer.
Where's the attic? Where's the attic?
I know you have things to take off. But you're dating my sister.
This is my fault.
He used to work with Russ.
Okay.
Oh, so Russ is...
Now, we're going to square it just like we was doing before. Yeah, work it back and forth just like that. Very good. We had it, most of it done. Go ahead and do it right there. We'll, a little bit harder. There we go. Very good. Okay, let's crank that up. How long did you want the neck onto it? Well, like yours was, what, about 6 inches? 4 to 5?
Yeah. We're hanging almost like a sheet. Shoe holder.
Oh,
Remember
okay.
shoe holders that go in the back of a door?
Okay. Go ahead and hammer that down just a little bit again. Very good. Okay, let me do Okay.
possible, but
Do it right there again. Okay, let me straighten it up here just a little bit.